Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how do you develop a star rating. If you see it on my screen, I have got 5 stars and let's say I'm clicking on the stars, right? It is changing its color. Now let's say I'm going to give 3 star or let's say 2 star, I have all the options. So it's working. It's a functional way of building a star rating. So how this can be done? For example, I'm on already given 5 stars. If you click on the 5 star, nothing should change, right? Because already I have given 5 star. Let's say I want to give 1 star. So how this is working or how this has been developed, we are going to see in this video. So let's get started. First of all, let me organize the container so I keep it like this. And then in this, I'm going to add few star icons. Remember, all these are done with the star icons and couple of logics, simple logics. You can see there is a star which is completely filled up with a color, gray color, right? And there is a star which doesn't have any color, just a border. So this is called star border. If you keep the mouse, it says star. First of all, let's drag and drop these 2 stars. These are just the icons, okay? These are just the icon. Now to understand this, we have to understand the logic. Okay, so let me drag and drop. Now this is coming in the horizontal way. I want it in the vertical way. I want it in the horizontal way. To do that, simply click on the container, go to the style, and I'm going to select horizontal. Fine. Now, before you design the entire thing, you have to first understand the logic. So what's the logic? The logic is quite simple. Look at it. This star icon and this star icon, if I hit on preview, now look at the preview. In the preview, both the stars are appearing. Let me ask you why they are appearing. There is a property here for each of these stars called hidden. Hidden is false. That's why it is appearing. If I write hidden is equal to 2 for one of these star, I'm making hidden is equal to true for this one. Now look at this. This is false. Now if I hit on preview, what am I expecting? You can see the star which had complete blue color has vanished or it's not appearing, right? So this property is very important, and with this property we are going to build the entire logic. So the moment it becomes true, the star is getting hidden. The moment it is false, if you see for the second star, if it is false, then it appears on the screen. Simple property, but with this we are going to build the entire logic. So how to do that? First of all, just to differentiate in the colors, because both are blue in color, so you will have slight difficulty in understanding the logic while I explain. What I will do, I'll change this color of the star to some other color. Let's say we will keep it to maybe red color. Okay, I'm keeping it to red color. So red color star, and this is the blue color star. What I'm going to do, what if instead of writing true directly, what if I'm writing some logic? I will click on this option, this property, scroll down, and I've created a blank variable which is a. You can simply create a variable. I've created a simple variable called a. So I'm saying this a variable. So when you create a variable, by default it will be null. There will be no value inside the variable because you have not assigned any value. So by default it is null. If I'm writing this null variable is less than 1. So null is always less than 1, right? Is this condition true or false? It is true. A is less than 1 is true because A is null. Null is always less than 1. Because of this, if I'm writing an expression like this and I hit on preview, so what is happening? The red star did not appear. That means the condition is true. A is less than, the moment it becomes true, this is going to hide itself, right? Hidden value, if it is true, then it is going to hide. So this much you have understood. By writing a small expression like this, we can hide something. Okay, we have hidden one of the star. Because here if I click on it, then the red star is supposed to appear. Okay, that will create that appearance. The moment you click, the color has changed. So actually it is not changing its color. You are just hiding one and making the other appear. So how to do that? For example, this is the 2 stars. What I will do, the moment, because this is hidden initially it is hidden because of its property. A is less than 1. A is a blank variable or null variable which contains nothing at the moment. This is only appearing on the screen. The moment the user clicks on this star, what I am doing, I will write a small event. What I will do, I'll write a small event here for the blue star. What I'm saying, hey, the moment somebody clicks on it, then you assign the value of a variable equals to 1. So I'm putting a variable and I'm saying equals to 1. I'm assigning an integer value to the a variable. So what would happen the moment a gets a value on the event of somebody clicking on this blue star? That's where I've written a click event, right? So the moment somebody clicks, then a value will become 1. At that time, look at the logic of the previous star. What is the logic of the previous star says? 1. A will now have value 1. 1 is less than 1. Is it true or false? 1 cannot be less than 1. 1 is equals to 1. So this statement is false. The moment it becomes false, what will happen? The star will appear. That is the technique. So let me run a preview. You will see what is going to happen. Now look at it. The red star is hidden because I have written A is less than 1, which is true. A is null initially. The moment I click on it, the A is going to get the value 1. That means 1 is less than 1 will become false. This condition will become false and the star will appear. Look at it. I am clicking on the star and you can see the red star has appeared. Getting it? The red star has appeared. But this star is still there, isn't it? This star is not hidden yet. This star, I'm still finding this star. So how can I, make this star go away? Because the moment I clicked, only this should appear. This should be hidden. Now for this to be hidden, I'm writing one more logic for the blue star. What I'm doing, I'll go here in the hidden property of this blue star. I'm going to write A is greater than equals to 1. That means the moment somebody clicks on it, the A will become 1. So 1 is greater than or equals to, so 1 is equals to 1, right? So it will meet the condition, it will become true. The moment it becomes true, this will be hidden. Now look at, if I'm going to hit on the preview now after writing this condition, ensure when you are writing A, you are selecting from the variable panel, okay? A, then I'm saying greater than equals to 1. Simple. So 1 is equals to 1 will become true. True means it will hide the star. Okay. Now look at it. I'm going to hit on preview. Okay. So only one star is appearing as per the initial condition. The moment I'm going to click on it, what happened? The star which was appearing just now, now it has hidden itself because the condition we have written 1 is equals to 1. A is greater than equals to 1. The moment you click, it got the variable 1. Now it is comparing here 1 is greater than equals to 1. Condition is true. Because it's true, this star getting hidden. So it appears like it is there blinking, right? The moment you click, one is disappearing from the screen, the other one is appearing because the way we have written the condition. Okay, the condition are quite simple. For the red color star, I am simply writing A is less than 1. And for the blue star, I am writing A is greater than equals to 1. This is the technique. Okay, so rewind in case you would like to see that again and do it yourself, you will get the logic. Pretty simple. Now, once you have this logic, all I have to do, I have to select these two stars, hit on the control key and copy both of them, copy, paste. So I need how many stars? I need 5 stars, right? So I got one pair of star here, one pair of star second, third, fourth, fifth. Got it? Now what I will do, for this two I have written the condition. For this one, for all the red stars, I am going to just change the property, okay, for the red star. Okay, selected. So here I am saying for the second red star I am saying less than 2. For the third red star I am saying less than 3. Now for the fourth one I am saying less than 4. Simple. I am just changing the values of it. As per their number I am just changing the value. Okay. So what happened? All the red stars, the first one is saying A is less than 1. Initially when you launch, remember this point, initially when you launch the app, A is a null variable. A has got nothing, no value. So this red star, the first one, A is less than 1, null is always less than 1. So true means it will be hidden. Even look at the second star, A is less than 2 because A is null, A is always less than 2. So it is true. So even this star will be hidden. Even the third star will be hidden. A is less than 3. Fourth star, A is less than 4. Okay, the fifth red star is also be hidden. So the moment I am launching it, what would happen? All the red stars will be hidden. because of the condition. Now the same thing we have done for the blue star. What I'm going to do, I'm going to write the similar condition, just I'm going to increase the number. So here I'm saying, when you launch this blue star, will it appear on the screen or not? What will decide, which property will decide? The hidden property. So in the hidden property, I'm saying, initially when you, for the first time when you launch it, a is a null variable. E is greater than equals to 1 is false. A null cannot be greater than 1. So that means if it is false, if the expression is false, this is going to appear. Same thing, what I'm going to do for the second blue star, I'm going to say 2. I'm going to make it 3. Okay. Sorry, for the second, it should be 2 right here. 2. Click outside, click select this, and then make it 4. Then select this and make it 5. And select this and make it 6. I think I made some mistake. So first one is should be 1. A is greater than 1. A is greater than 1, correct. Second star should be greater than equals to 2. Third is, okay, this should be 3. Then this should be 4. And this should be 5. Getting it? So what would happen the moment, always, anytime you, because this is slightly mind-boggling because a lot of conditions are coming. But remember, all you have to say to yourself, when it launches for the first time, what would happen? So we have seen the red star will be not be shown because null value is less than 1. The condition is true. That's why red stars won't be shown. But for all the blue stars, null is greater than, because this expression is false. That's why all of these blue stars will be shown on the screen. Yes or no? All of these blue stars will be shown on the screen. So let's have a small preview. So you can see on the preview window, all the blue stars are shown and all the red stars are hidden because of its simple property. Now what we will do, the moment anybody clicks on the second star, like we have written it for the first star, right? We have written a click event. Same thing I have to repeat for all of it. So if you remember, for the first blue star, what we have done, I have written A assign the value 1. The same thing I am to repeat for the second blue star, and I am going to say A is equals to 2. I will say A is equals to 2 for the second star. Now for the third blue star, I am editing the event and I am saying 3. Now for this one, I will make it as 4. And for the last blue star, we will give it as 5. Now let's understand the logic now, okay? So what is happening? The moment we launch, imagine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This blank blue stars will be shown. The moment you click on this, what is happening? A value is getting 1. A will become 1 because you have written that property, right? Assigning the value A equals to 1. The moment anybody clicks on it. The moment A becomes 1, what would happen? The red star, which has a condition A is less than 1, that means 1 is less than 1 is incorrect. The moment the expression becomes false, the red star starts appearing. Now let's say you have clicked on the second star. The moment you're clicking on the second star, A is getting the value 2. Right? Now what would happen? Here for the second red star, you have written A is less than 2. So here, because A is 2, this expression will be becoming false. The moment it becomes false, the second red star will appear on the screen. Getting it? And the same thing goes for all of it. For example, the moment you click on the third one, A value will become 3 because you have written the expression A is less than 3. Now A is what? A is having 3. So 3 is less than 3 is false. Now look at the previous stars also. Now when you are clicking the third star, A will have 3. 3 is less than 2. Is 3 is less than 2? No, expression is wrong. The moment it is false, the stars will appear. So let's do a preview. Okay, look at it. First time we launched, only the blue stars are appearing. The moment I clicked on it, it became red. The red has appeared. The moment I clicked on this one, second has appeared, third has appeared, fourth has appeared, fifth has appeared. What if after you giving fifth, you decided, no, let me give 4. Now the moment you're clicking on the red star, nothing is happening because you have not written any click event for the red star. So how to write the click event even for this red star? For that, select the first one, go to the event, create a rule, and same thing, set value. Because it's the first star, remember the condition would remain the same. I'm going to say A is equals to 1. Then for this one, I'll explain, okay, how the logic is working. Don't worry. Set value, and I'm going to say A is equals to 2. Now for this one, I'm saying A is equals to, put a equals to symbol, okay, do not write 3 directly. Now for this one, fourth one, I will select the variable A, and I'm going to say equals to 4. Now for this one, I'm going to say set value, I'm going to say equals to 5. Done. Now we have written click events for all the red stars. Okay. Now how this logic would work? So until here you have understood. Now what would happen? Let's say I'm going to click on the 4th star. Now if I'm clicking on this 4th star, what is the event that you have written for the 4th star? Select the 4th star, yeah. Then go to the event. Now here, what is the expression I have written? When anybody clicks on the 4th star, you set the value of A is equal to 4. The moment I set the value A is equals to 4, what would happen? What would happen? Look at the expression that we have written for the blank, the 5th star, the blank blue color 5th star. So here A is equal to 4. Now 4 is greater than equals to 5. No, 4 is not greater than. So this means the expression is false. The moment expression becomes false, what would happen? This blank star will appear. The moment I click on it, the blank star will appear. Now what would happen to the previous stars? So look at this star. Why this star won't appear? Why this? Because 4 is equals to 4. This is still true. True means it will stay hidden. It will remain hidden. Why this star will not appear? Because 4 is greater than equals to, correct. So the moment the expressions are true, because it's 4, it will be true for all the rest of the previous blue stars. So that's why all of this won't appear. But the 5th one will appear because 4 is greater than equals to 5, which is false. Because the expression is false, hidden properties become false. That means this star will appear on the screen. So let's look at, you will understand. Pretty simple logic, but it will be mind-boggling when we compare and try to think through. But if you go through the exercise, I'm pretty sure it will be easy for you to understand and explain others. So look at it. Here I'm putting, so this one I have explained. Now let's say I'm going to click on this one. So what is happening? This star, the 5th star, blue star has appeared on the screen. So what happened to the 5th red star? So look at it, the red star, because A is equal to 4. 4 is less than 5, which becomes true, right? That's why this becomes hidden. True means what? It will hide it. So it has become true, so that's why it is hidden, and this one become false, it has appeared. So it's just switching between those conditions and working. So look at it. If I'm going to click on the 5th star again, which star I have clicked? I have clicked on the blank star. The moment I clicked on the blank 5th star, A value become 1. A value has become 1. The moment A value becomes 1, what would happen? A value will become 5. 5 is greater than equals to 5, true. So true, that means this star will be hidden. Look at this one. 5 is less than 5, false. So that's why the red star has appeared. So you understood the condition. Just try it out on your screen. You will see even this function will work pretty nicely. You can create multiple other things, right? Like, putting some colors to the stars. When you're giving 3, all should be yellow in color, right? If you are selecting 5, it should become green. If you're selecting 1 or 2, it should remain red. So all those logics you can build it once you understood how to build this star rating. So thank you guys for watching. We are going to meet once again in our next video. Before that, please do try this and let me know in the comment section if you were able to create this star rating on your own. Thank you. We are going to meet once again in our next content. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.